Alright, did the spot coat, did one can, kind of filled in where the heavier sanded spots were. I'm going to throw on can 2 and then really let it dry. I'm going to sit this guy in the sun and let it bake a little bit before I do can number 3. Alright, got the guy sitting over in the sun over there, so I'm going to go ahead and paint these. Got them all cleaned up, metal cleaner, ready to go. Alright, got it nice and sanded down. Still see there's a little bit of stripage going on. A couple more cans here. It's a steel wool. So I'm going to do a couple more cans here. A little more coverage going on. In the shade. Alright, there she is. Another spotted glory. Sitting, hang out here in the sun. Dry off. And then get back to my real project, which is this guy. Alright, these dudes, if you'll notice, are highly contoured, very custom bent. Yes, very custom bent. And then screen, basically a big sheet of this, I think it was 18 by 24. A bunch of these guys with screen on it. Look, this one's kind of an odd shape. It's a perfectly custom odd shape. So you won't be able to see any of the tape or anything. Let me show you where those go. Come with me, out into the yard. Where it is sunny and 90. I got this guy chilling. Just got it all power washed off. Got the inside of it stupid clean. Like, I forgot this car was white. A lot of mud and shit under there, so I got all that out. But what those are going to do is cover that. So you see, like, the heavily contoured. And then down in here, these nestle in there like that. And that one goes over there. So yeah, when you look at it from the front, it'll be the design with the screen on it. Alright, got these guys in there. Nice and taped down. The majority of that tape is for the screen to metal. Let's flip it over and see what it looks like, huh? Alright, looks great. Maybe it'll stay up on its own. So, not too shabby. It looks pretty darn good. I have to bias this, mess around with them a little bit, but straight on, I think it looks really nice. My buddy Chad centered these. This one's a little off kilter, I'm gonna have to fix it. But he did center them. Like, went above and beyond. I just got this guy all cleaned off, blowed off real good. There's a couple of spots I'm not exactly happy with, but all in all, it's pretty good and I'm done messing with it. When it's wet, it looks perfect, so whatever. Time to clear coat. God, it got hot. There you go, 3 cans. Lots of orange peel. Plenty of orange peel to get rid of. Look at all that orange peel. But 3 cans. Nice coated. Let it bake in the sun here a little bit. Good from afar. Far from good. Alright. Got a little bit rocking here. A little bit on that lower front. Kinda see it. It's going pretty good. Most of it's gone, so you can't really see much of it. Those white flecks. All the white flecks. Some of this stuff is like cracks from heating in the original like primer. There's not a lot I can do about that. Looking down, I mean, you can see the reflection of my van there, how much different it is from like the beginning of this video where those trees, you can't really see them now because the light's completely changed, but yeah, looking good. I'm gonna take a little break, see if I really want to deal with that extremely minuscule amount of orange peel. Alright, just got a nice toweled off and dry. There are a couple of spots. Reluctant. Some of the spots I don't want to do because those hard edges, the paint just goes like that. So I kind of tend to leave that stuff alone. But as a whole, looking at the reflections, not a lot of orange peel left. And you can see like there's a little bit on the edge, on the corner, some shooting down there. There's tiny little bits here and there. But as a whole, the thing is looking just fine. Any better than that, and then I start to mess with start to go against my motto, which is good from afar and afar from good. I guarantee this looks better than any of the other pieces on the rest of the car right now. Getting into nut polish. Sanded, not polished. Polished. Look at that. There's a mirror shine, my friends. Oofta. Look at that shine. Holy cow. So I just barely wiped it off, so it's not even like done being hazy yet. Man, that's nice. That is nice. Well, I'll tell you for it. Look pretty good, it's not even wet. So, I think I'm doing alright in this department. It's pretty clean. It's not mirror. Obviously, I can't see my face, so I have to be able to anyways do the kind of matte surface of the metallic. Yeah, it almost hides all the crimes. You kind of see a little bit of splotchiness in the paint with the silver. It's a tough color to paint out of a can in a driveway. Okay, so I just threw a bunch of sealant on there. Synthetic Sealant 2.0. I started my adventure with Ultimate Compound. One thorough of that, and then finished it with the Ultra Finishing Polish. Like I said, I got the mirroring glaze on there. So, gotta let it dry for like 10 or 15 minutes and then wipe it off. So, hopefully that'll look good. Won't mess it up. This stuff is like 3 years old, so I don't know. Alright, well there it is. All said and done. That looks pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Rather shiny, if I say so myself. A little better. But all in all, like I said, this thing's probably the nicest looking thing on the car. Alright. Got my little rubber door door trim bumper guards on here. Got my new aero catches installed. Oh boy, are they nice and slick. Nice and slick. Boom. I hate how expensive those are, but there we go. All I gotta do is throw on windshield wipers, and once I get back on the car, I'm gonna figure out the webbing for this, which I have in the garage. Right here. This stuff. A little bit of screening on it. Yeah. Same, it'll match down here. I got this grill stuff, gutter guard on there for the radiator, and then that stuff for the air intake. This is the crap I got for that. For the grill. Looks alright, I think. I keep forgetting about these too. The little light cutouts. And that is the webbing on the car. There's some rubber trim around it right there, so it doesn't vibrate and hum on this side. See it? Looking good. It just torn apart a little bit right now, but I do have the height set for the aero catches, and the emblem is back on and painted. Looking really nice.